Good morning, YouTube. Well, in case you can't guess by my outfit and what the sign says behind me, I'm at the Arizona Renaissance Festival, and I was in here yesterday checking it out, having fun, and today I'm going to take you along and we will go check out some of the acts. I'm not going to show you their whole act. I'll show you little excerpts here and there. This is 50 acres, and it's huge. It's way bigger than the one in Sterling, New York, which is the only other one I've ever been to. So me and my little buddy will take you along, and I hope you enjoy the day.
Hey people, I'm Miguel Rodrigo Jesus Alfredo Estebante Saragosa! And it's with great pleasure that I let you know that, guess what? We're opening today! It's a very, hola people, hi there. Were you a little kid when you first came here? Baby? Yeah, I think so. You know, it's a very strange thing. I was out here yesterday, and I'm walking around all the time. I have to let you know, this is Don Juan in our 34th year here, people. So yesterday, I'm walking around, and suddenly this young lady comes up and starts flirting with me. I got really, really nervous. I didn't know what to say. And then she's like doing this to me and being really pretty. I'm like, stop that, stop that. She goes, oh, come on, Miguel. I've been waiting to do this since I was 5. It's crazy, I know. It's weird. Anyway, so, you know, we're going to have a really great time today. I want to give you a little advice. Please remember to hydrate. And by that does not mean like with snakes and hydras. That means like drinking water today. Because I want you women to drink today. Are you going to drink, women? Yeah. Guys, are you going to drink? Yeah. Why was that louder? Yeah. You know, I just have to say, I love it when women drink, because when you ladies drink, I get better looking. So I want to let you know that before I talk about anything else, Don Juan and I's first show will be at the Fairhaven stage at 10:15. That is straight ahead. It is right straight ahead. It's right by the privies. It's near the beer, so it's kind of like being at home, you know, and we have shakes, so it'll be fun. It's whips and swords and comedy. If you've never been here before, I hope you see us. You know, another thing that happened to me yesterday. Hola, you look very pretty in that. What happened to me yesterday is I walking around, and these people are talking to me, and they went, hey, you know, what's your name? We've been here ever since we've opened, and they were here for 34 years, and they had never seen my show. Wow. So I killed them. Hey. I love you guys. So there's some fun things happening here today. We have a wearing of the, by the way, we are celebrating all things Celtic, everyone. Celtic, yeah. Hola, and look, there's a Celtic priest walking up this way, in green. Hola, Celtic priest. You're so loud. You're welcome. Get inside. I've already been to confession. I'm ready to sin. It is Sunday up here. So, we had a nice wearing of the green contest for those of you who are wearing green and want to be a little Celtic. That will be at the Royal Pavilion at 1:30, which is a fun thing. A lot of fun things happening today. There's a joust, there's falconry, there's mud shows, there's mermaids, there's dragons, there's a living tree, there are unicorns, and there are even real things here too. Which is fun. So, you know, I lovely thing, you know, I'm looking at how many people are here today. You people are out in front here, you may have gotten up early, but remember this, the early bird does indeed get the worm. So you're gonna...
I am so sorry you had to put up with him. So sorry. Well, welcome back. We are glad to have you back. You were very missed indeed. Oh, are you ready to start your adventure? Yeah! Let there be fun! Fun! Let there be feasting! Feasting! Let there be cannon fire!
The show we're doing right now is called the Renaissance Man Show. It's our attempt during the show to make a Renaissance man out of it.
Wow, thank you for your shocked silence.
Our next show is at 3 o'clock, different show called Don Juan in Head.
And it features live death on stage.
During the show, one of us will die! People! Ooh, ready? Here we go. Ooh, a little closer. Ooh, a little closer. Ooh. Were you impressed with that? Yeah. Stop that.
Oh, they were impressed. All right, I think I can top it.
How?
I'm not going to hold the target in front of me where I can see it. I'm going to hold it behind my back.
What?
Thank you. Here, I'll do like 3 of them like you did. There you go. All right, were you impressed with that?
Yeah. Joke. The whip travels 950 and 1200 miles per hour. Sometimes the whip travels so fast that it actually vibrates through the target, and sometimes it looks like I didn't hit it.
Stop that.
Yeah, in your face, white girl.
I just really like sunscreen. I'm sorry. All right, no, I can top that.
How?
I'm going to take this tiny little target. I'm going to hold it in my mouth and cut it with the whip. Would you like to see that?
Oh.
What? Really? Are you sure?
I'm full.
Great. No, I'll do it. I got it. Ready? Yes, thank you. Thank you.
Why are you applauding? She spit it out. Look. Oh, I'm really good.
I'm not going to do that.
Let's see how good you are. I'm going to hold 4 targets in one hand.
4.
We like to call this the wheel because this represents...
Hurry up, here we go. Backing down, ready, and jump. Jump. Yeah, and jump. Jump again. Good. Should I see if he'll jump a little farther?
Yeah.
All right, packing out. Are you ready? Come on and jump. To the stool.
No.
Packing out. Come on, buddy. To the stool. To the
Cling to the vine. I'll taste your strawberries. I'll drink your sweet wine. A million to my
5,000 years and back again in one show!
With no fatalities.
And one amazing audience! We are so grateful to be...
No, to the very day that this festival closed early, and we were actually out of work for over 18 months. We had some very interesting and tough times, but mostly what we want to say is that we know how lucky we are to be performing for you right here, right now. The laughter, the cheers, and the applause of an audience is our drug of choice. And it is so good to be getting a fix of the Arizona audience right now. Now, well, I know their schedule is for the rest of the day because we have 3 shows left, at least 3 different stories to tell. Right now, we're doing our second naughtiest show of the day. It's our Big Bad Wolf comedy show. Come right back here at 2:30, and we have no idea what we're doing. But it doesn't matter, because by that point, most of the audience and all of the Tortuga twins will be dead drunk.
You can throw in a Lutheran to make it interesting. Oh, I love a good Lutheran now. They always come with a list of talking points. Oh my goodness, that's more than usual to laugh at the Lutheran joke. Are you Lutheran too? Yay! Represent! Represent! So here we are. Now folks, couple of announcements. The first one is that the nun show counts for church. I know, it's Sunday, just in case you missed, right? Also, if you come in, you get a free sin. You're welcome.
That's actually really handy at a Renaissance festival.
It is.
I don't know if you've noticed, there's a lot of stuff here that could get you into trouble.
That's right. It's temptation.
Temptation. We call it the big T. Come on, you know what I'm talking about. Men in tights. Hello.
Okay, everybody. Well, that ends my day here. I didn't show you everything. It's impossible to do that. I saw a lot of shows yesterday, today, or in here, little excerpts. And if you ever get a chance, I recommend coming to this Renaissance Fair. You never know. I might go to another one later here in 2022. See how that works. Right, so I'm gonna get going and see what I can find down the road. Y'all be safe and safe travels, my friends. Bye.
Jumped off the wagon